Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make this Christmas card using elements from the October 2021 paper pumpkin kit called Peaceful Christmas. What I've done is I have taken shaded spruce cardstock from my own stash, taken silver foil paper from my own stash, and before I put it down, I actually cut out the middle with one of the scalloped contour dies because I didn't want to cover up the whole sheet of foil without getting the middle out. It seemed like a waste to me to cover that up. So I've got that cut out to use for another project. And this piece is actually from the envelope. If you look at the envelopes, they've got the foil trees across the bottom. So I trimmed it up to 3 3/4 by 2.5 to make the embellishment. And then the Noel and the little gems are from the kit. So really the only thing from my stash in this is the silver foil paper and the shaded spruce cardstock. So let's get started and build this card. I am just going to layer everything down, and I'm just using adhesive. And I've cut this out enough so that I've got room to put adhesive around the edges to hold it down. And then the hole in the middle will be covered up by the buffalo plaid piece from the kit. So I'm just going to pop this down like this. And layer it up as well, just like that. And that looks so pretty with just that little silver background in it. And then again, this is cut to 3 3/4 by 2.5. And I'm just flat mount layering this up, lining it up with the lines in the buffalo plaid so that I know that I'm straight. And then I am going to take my Noel, which I have now lost. There it is. And I'm just going to put some liquid glue, just a dot in a couple of different places just to hold it in place. You can use your adhesive dots if you want, or any other method if you've got fine line glue. And I'm just popping this down like this, dropping it down, giving it a bit of a push, just holding it for a second. And then I'll add the little gem embellishments that come with it. Put one there and one there like that. Bump that up just a little bit. And there we go. And there we have a really pretty, super simple Christmas card with some nice silver elements to it. So stay tuned for more outside the box ideas using the October 2021 paper pumpkin kit.